everyone, my name is Ankita. Although I have degrees in science and management, yet my experiences have shaped me up into a lifestyle entrepreneur, holistic health practitioner turned preacher, a nature worshipper, and a recently turned fitness advocate. I've shared my journey briefly on defeating the incurable, a so-called rare condition but not so rare. We don't have numbers in India, but across the world, approximately 3.5% of the world population suffers from this disease, and that's not a small number. This condition is said to be more painful than childbirth. माँ को बच्चे को जन्म देते समय लगभग 200 हड्डियाँ टूटने जितना दर्द होता है और ऐसा कहा गया है इस कंडीशन में उससे ज़्यादा दर्द होता है. It affects day-to-day life relentlessly. In 2017, I did not want to give up. So I desperately kept searching over the internet. How can I heal myself? But I could not find a solution to this. जब कोई रास्ता नहीं मिला तो अपना रास्ता खुद ही बना लिया. कॉमन क्वेश्चन ये आ रहा था कि नॉलेज कहाँ से आई. इसका जवाब है कि मुझे इस लेवल के पेन से गुजरना पड़ा इस ज्ञान को प्राप्त करने के लिए. बहुत होपलेसनेस होती थी जब अकेले हॉस्पिटल जाती थी और रिजेक्शन लेकर वापस आती थी. आई एम नॉट अगेंस्ट डॉक्टर्स, बट द प्रॉब्लम इज़ नॉट इवन वन डॉक्टर आस्क्ड मी टू इम्प्रूव माई लाइफ स्टाइल. मॉडर्न मेडिसिन्स आर नॉट एट फॉल्ट, बट इट इज़ our foolishness to have destructive lifestyle choices and then expect modern medicines to treat us completely. Aside, a doctor cannot do what we are supposed to do, like eating healthy, staying positive. जो काम आपको करना है वो आपके डॉक्टर नहीं कर सकते. And popping pills for lifestyle diseases will never treat it from the root. Ayurveda says, when your food is right, medicine is of no need. And when your food is wrong, medicine is of no use. Mark my words, if your doctor is not asking you about your food before treating you, then he is a drug dealer. This version of me was not built in a day, or a month, or a year, I would say, but rather a decade long of suffering transformed me into this person. This is the final result of so many insecurities, abuse, rejection from people, from friends, from doctors, from life and depression. YouTube की पॉलिसी मुझे इससे ज़्यादा बताने के लिए अलाउ नहीं करती. But just like any other person, I felt like giving up so many times. In spite of being a very strong-headed person. जब ऐसा थॉट आता था दिमाग में तो अपने पापा की शक्ल सामने आ जाती थी और फिर आगे हिम्मत नहीं होती थी. बाकी सबका काम चल जाएगा, बट आई डोंट थिंक मेरे बिना उनका काम चल पाता. माई जर्नी वॉज एक्सट्रीमली हार्ड एंड आई हैड टू गो थ्रू सो मच पेन टू गेट टू द लेवल आई एम एट राइट नाउ. I no longer believe in failures, as I have failed countless times to heal myself. Cliché it may sound, but failure is the only way to success. I led a very degenerate and unhealthy lifestyle when I was working for the corporate. After a tiring day at work and not eating the whole day, I would prefer to just order something and call it a day. I kept ignoring the signals my body was giving me due to lack of awareness. And part of it can be attributed to my unhealthy habits, my upbringing and my conditioning. Obesity and lifestyle diseases ran in my family. So I sincerely urge young moms to inculcate healthy habits in their children, because family is the first school any child goes to. So if you are going to inculcate healthy habits in the child's formative years, then it would reap good benefits in the future. I was utterly shocked when I was diagnosed, and it took me so much time to accept my reality. And often I was hesitant to share my wounds, my scars. But today, I proudly show my scars. They tell me what I've survived. If you want to recover fast, then the suggestion is accept yourself first. Sooner you make peace with your reality, you will heal from it. I was told by modern medicine that I can never heal myself. I decided to take charge of my health. I would often pray to the sun god and to the moon god for direction in life. I was absolutely alone in my journey, although I had my parents and my younger brother to support me. But trust me, the only person who can save you is you. When I was searching for direction, अपने आप help मिलने लगी. Unexpectedly, a family friend called me up and she gave me a contact of lifestyle expert. I had trust on her because she herself struggled with infertility in spite of staying in United States, having access to best of the best resources, and yet she struggled to conceive. And today she has a lovely 4-year-old baby girl. I educated myself on holistic lifestyle, then ancient Ayurveda, naturopathy. In fact, when I wanted to learn Unani, unexpectedly a friend from Afghanistan called me up, texted me, and I used to write him questions, then he used to translate in the local language, visit the Unani doctors and then reply me back. जब आप एक दृढ़ संकल्प ले लेते हो ना, रास्ता अपने आप मिलता ही है. In fact, when I personally met a Unani doctor and wanted to learn about it, he humbly denied seeing my wounds. He got up from his chair, folded his hands and said he cannot help and I should be visiting allopathic doctors or dermatologists. But I requested him and he agreed to talk. The conversation lasted for almost half an hour and his response at the end of the conversation was that I know too much for my age. To which I replied, age is just a number, but it is rather experiences which counts. Then I did several mind training techniques, also educated myself on fitness and nutrition, read many books to regain my health. Even Google and medical science still terms HS as incurable. But my experiences say incurable means curable from inside. I sulked personally and needed a hit to wake up. So nature planned it for me and I owe everything to the nature. This video is dedicated to anyone suffering from painful lifestyle diseases and especially for HS patients. Heal yourself mentally by staying positive and physically by eating clean and healthy. I have lived your journey and I understand your pain. Having gone through so much of bodily torture, I understand the pain behind it. I have not only transformed physically, but trust me, any change begins with the mind. And I've started rebuilding myself differently. This is like a new life to me. My parents also say that I'm reborn, and the people who knew my past say that I've not only changed physically but also mentally. Today, I educate people on holistic lifestyle to transform into good health naturally. I've converted all my wounds into wisdom and I've so far received very positive feedback from the people I've mentored, be it a yoga teacher or a fitness consultant or a psychologist or be it a homemaker. I consider myself work under progress and I have still a long way to go. But I do understand the basics of the body and holistic lifestyle works like magic. I understand the pain and agony one goes through while suffering from lifestyle diseases. Fortitude and gratitude can change your perspective towards life. and today I am immensely thankful for everything I am blessed with. In my subsequent videos, I will share what I do, how I do, why I do, and most importantly, how it can benefit you. I am not a medical authority, but I can say with certainty that it has transformed my life and it can transform yours too. Thank you so much for watching.